If your Epson EcoTank printer is not printing magenta or any other color is missing, this video will guide you through 2 simple methods to fix the problem. Before starting any repair, let's perform a manual print test to identify which color is causing the issue. First, turn off the printer. Once it is completely off, press and hold the stop button, then press the power button. Hold both buttons for about 5 seconds, then release them at the same time. Don't worry if the lights start blinking. The printer is working in the background. Just wait until it prints the nozzle check sheet. Alright, here it is. This is called a nozzle check pattern. As you can see, the black ink is printing perfectly. All lines look solid, but on the right side, where the magenta lines should appear clearly and continuously, nothing shows up. This means the magenta ink is clogged. Both methods in this video can also be applied to other colors with the same issue. Now, let's start with the most basic method when dealing with ink problems on Epson printers. This is the printhead cleaning process. You can perform it 1 to 3 times. First, make sure each ink tank is at least 1/3 full. Then, while the printer is turned on, press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then release. The printhead cleaning process has started. You will notice the power light blinking and the printer making some noise. This process takes about 3 minutes, so please wait. Now you can see the power light has stopped blinking. This means the cleaning process is complete. Turn off the printer and perform the nozzle check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release both buttons. If the first cleaning does not improve the print quality, repeat the cleaning process up to 3 times with about a 1-minute pause between each cycle. Now, let's assume you've done the 3rd cleaning and the problem is still not fixed. You can proceed to the 2nd method. Turn off the printer. The 2nd method is what I call syringe flushing. Prepare 2 syringes, 10 milli and 50 milliliter, and modify the tips like this. Take a pen, then open the printer cover like this. Lift the scanner unit, and here you will find the scanner lock. To release it, slightly lift the scanner while pushing this plastic part, lower it, then push again. Use a support to hold the scanner open. Next, we need to move the printhead to the center. To do this, rotate the front gear counterclockwise several times. This will release the printhead lock. Now, push the printhead slightly to the right, then you can move it to the center. Carefully open the carriage cover. Then, remove the ink damper of the problematic color, black, yellow, magenta, or cyan. In this case, the magenta damper is empty. There is no ink inside. This is why the magenta is not printing, even after several cleaning attempts. Insert the syringe into the bottom of the damper, then slowly pull. This will remove trapped air and refill the damper with ink. Pull and hold until ink flows into the damper. If your damper is not empty, I still recommend doing this step, as there may be trapped air that you don't notice. Once the damper is properly filled, reinstall it into its original position and press it firmly to lock it. Reattach the carriage cover. Then push the printhead fully to the right side. Now locate the waste ink tube connected to the maintenance box. On some models, the position may be slightly different. Pull the waste ink tube out from the maintenance box. You also need to apply suction here using the syringe. Use the 50mm syringe for stronger vacuum power. Make sure the printhead is fully on the right side, then start pulling the syringe and hold until ink flows into the syringe. This method helps remove clogs because the waste ink tube is connected directly to the printhead nozzles. If you don't see any ink flowing or the syringe cannot be pulled, you can skip this step and perform manual cleaning again several times. Usually that will clear light clogs. Once the ink stops flowing into the syringe, release the plunger carefully and make sure it doesn't push the ink back. Next, move the printhead to the center and apply suction again on the waste tube. This helps clean any remaining ink in the capping station. Remove the syringe and reconnect the waste ink tube to the maintenance box properly. Close the printer. Perform another nozzle check to see the result. And here it is. The print result is now perfect. The magenta color is back. If you still see broken lines like this, perform a few more cleaning cycles. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and happy printing.